Hi everyone, this is Akash and I am from Karnool. Recently, I have participated in the ethical hacking workshop conducted by Nxtwave team. Really, it was an amazing thing because I had learned a lot of things like OSINT and types of OSINT, software engineering tool, and also I learned about Maltego tool. Really, it was a fantastic tool because experience of drawing graphs from that spam mail or suspicious mail, it was really a practical thing, and I really enjoyed it. And also my favorite part in this whole workshop is OSINT on Google Docking and also Snap Map. It was really marvelous because experience of that part is like finding a criminal in a detective movie, and really I enjoyed that. And also I want to thank Abhinav Sir and the Nxtwave team for conducting this workshop and sharing for Abhinav Sir for sharing his knowledge on this domain. And also I'm expecting workshop on blockchain technology because I know very little on that. And really thank you Nxtwave and Nxtwave team and Abhinav Sir. Thank you.